Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to show you our brand new 2026 22MSB. This is a beautiful boat. We just got it in. It's in the midnight blue with the Blackout Luxe Package. We've got the black rub rail. We've got our stainless steel cleats on the front. This is a tritoon, so it has the SPS Performance Package. Let's walk around to the back and we can look at it a little bit more. Guys, we're here at the stern of the 22SSB. As I said, it's an SSB, so it has the swing back. You face rearward on this. We've got our ski tow bar. We've got a 150 horsepower Yamaha with the stainless steel Reliance prop. Got our swim ladder here. Let's hop inside and we can take a look. Welcome aboard the 22MSB. Here in the front, we have our forward chase lounges. These are extra long in length, plenty of room for laying out, lots of storage underneath. Roto-molded seat bases with our water channeling gutters to channel water overboard. That way all your stuff inside doesn't get wet if it rains on you. We've got cup holders and a little bit of storage kind of in the lumbar area. Once again, more storage here on the port side. We've got these seat backs that lift up. You can store a trash can or other goods there in the seat. As we move back to the helm, we've got storage underneath the helm. And we've got our analog gauges, tilt steering wheel, Rockford Fosgate audio. We've got our Garmin Echo Map, chart plotter GPS, analog switches for all your accessories, binnacle. Take a look at how this binnacle is placed. You can move this seat forward and backwards, but it's right at the armrest for a super comfortable operation. We've also got a little phone charger tucked away there, a wireless phone charger, as well as a lockable cubby for any valuables. We've got a co-captain's chair in this layout. And once again, this is the swing back. So we have this swing back sun pad here in the rear. There's a lot of storage underneath this thing. Got storage under the front and the back. You can put this in the forward facing position or just lift up on it and pull back and lounge rearward. Guys, we've got the 10-foot bimini top. This is the manual bimini. Gives you lots of shade when you're out there on the water. If you have any questions about this boat or you'd like to come see it in person, stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom or give us a call.